Now, let's explore your options here at Sabon University. Here are some ways so you can get started with your Sabon business here at Sabon University. Actually, depende ito sa gusto mo. Okay? Sa kung ano yung pinakaswabe para sa'yo. Right? Each option has its own benefits. So, you have to take your time, no? Take your time lang on choosing which path best for you. So, first program we have here at Sabon University is to enroll in our online programs. So, kung gusto mo ng flexibility, okay, at home-based learning, yung mga online programs natin here at Sabon University ay swak na swak sa'yo. Okay? You will learn the step-by-step procedure on how to bake your own sabon. Okay? And not only that, you will also learn how to run and grow your own sabon business. At ang pinakamaganda pa nito, if you are going to make your own sabon, you will save up to 40% of the cost. Okay? So imagine, sa pamamagitan lang ng paggawa ng sarili mong sabon using your own sourcing, using your own ingredients, and you will make your own sabon, you can save as much as 40% of your total cost. And yung 40% na yun, you can use that so you can further expand your product line and do the necessary marketing for your business. Plus, ang maganda pa dito sa ating mga online course ay pwede mo itong aralin at your own pace. Okay, so wala pong pressure, madaling sundan. Perfect po sa mga busy individuals na gusto pong matuto on how to make their own sabon. Next option natin is to attend our face-to-face class. So tama po, meron po tayong face-to-face class and it's being held here at our main office at Carmona, Cavite. Okay? So if you prefer po yung face-to-face learning, no po, yung hands-on learning, ito pong ating face-to-face workshop po ang perfect po para po sa inyo. Hindi lang po kasi ito yung basta turo makikita mo talaga yung actual product demonstration. Meron din po tayong mga hands-on activities na kasama dito sa ating workshop. Okay? May intindihan nyo pong mabuti ang actual yung proseso dahil live po natin po siyang gagawin. Okay? And guided po tayo during the workshop. Plus, you'll get to interact po, you'll get to ask questions kaagad po doon po sa ating mga lecturers. And you can get the answers naman po immediately and on the spot. Para po ito sa mga gustong matuto ng mabilis at magkaroon kaagad ng confidence when it comes to paggawa ng sabon. And plus, makikita mo rin po yung ating mga kasamang mga entrepreneurs and sabay-sabay po tayong matututo at lalago dito sa negosyo po na ito. At ang maganda pa nito, you get to take home kung ano po yung mga sample na nagawa natin during the time ng workshop. Di ba, very exciting yon? Meron na po kayong sample na makukuha. Kapag umuwi po kayo, gagawin nyo po yung basis sa paggawa nyo po ng sabon in the future.